We'll start. Vinayaka namastubhyam satatam modaka priya nirvignam kuru me deva sarvakaryeshu sarvada saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini dyaram sirbi sada gurur brahma gurur vishnu gurur devo maheshwarah guru sakshat param brahma tasmai shri gurave namaha Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनामवरानने आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापत्नीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षम् रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि श्रीरघुरामचारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत् कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां सर्वेभ्यो नमः। अद्यतन पंचांगं शार्वरी नाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणायने शरदृतौ आश्विनी मासे शुक्लपक्षे नवमी तिथिः till 9:11 PM स्थिरवासरः श्रवणं नक्षत्रं till 5:08 PM followed by धनिष्ठा शूल योगः till 3:22 PM followed by गण्ड योगः करणं बालवः till 9:45 AM followed by कौलवः till 10:11 PM followed by तैतिलः. And also सर्वेभ्यः दुर्गा नवमी दश शरन्नवम्याः शुभाशयाः. Another good day. During Navaratri we are doing Ramayana today on the Navami. So we completed the second sarga. Today we are starting the third sarga of Balakanda. So atha tritiya sargah. Balakanda we have been I mean the Prathama Sarga, Sankshepa Ramayana. Hope all of us are reading regularly every day, chanting at least, right? Regularly. Because that is the most important one. So, yeah, Tritiya Sarga. Who will say with me today? Leena, okay. Shrutva vastu samagram tad.
Shrutva vastu samagram tad.
Dharmartha sahitam hitam.
Dharmartha sahitam hitam.
There is a typo here. Vyaktam anveshate bhuyo.
Vyaktam anveshate bhuyo.
Yadvrittam tasya dhimatah.
Yadvrittam tasya dhimatah.
So, second sarga we saw, what did we see? Where Brahma appears, he blesses Valmiki, and he in a way orders also Valmiki to compose Ramayana. So that's where that's where second sarga entered. And Antardhanam bhavati, Brahma. So Brahma disappears back from wherever he has come. So now Tritiya sarga is starting with Shrutva vastu samagram. So Brahma told everything, right? And he said, Yatha Naradat Shrutam, as you heard from Narada. So whatever he heard, both from Brahma and Narada, Shrutva Vastu Samagram, Tat Dharmartha Samhitam, Vyaktam Anveshate Bhuyam Dhimataha. So Anveshate. So now that Brahma left, Valmiki is Anveshanam is ours. Anveshanam is in a way research or not research. What should we say? Investigation or research or one of those words, right? Anveshanam we say. So Anveshate, Valmiki starts his research. But research is not like going to running behind libraries, opening books and all, right? For yogis, for those who are beyond these material pursuits, for them, Anveshana is through yogic process, is through beyond the mind, beyond the brain, right? So through yoga, they can see everything. They can see the world, the past, present, and future. So as instructed by Narada or as told by Narada, as instructed by Brahma, he is now started to back in and slowly see things, how they have happened. So Shrutva Vastu Samagram. Samagram is another word here, in entirety. So Dharmartha Samhitam, Dharmaha, Raghunath Ashrayana. Raghunath Ashrayanam Eva Arthaha.
Bhogaji,
Ha.
this Kanpur IIT thing, it says Shrutva Vastu Samagram Tad Dharmatma Dharma Sahitam.
So both patha are there and that comes here. Yeah. Both, there is a pathantram. Artha Samhitam Hitam is there one style. Dharmartha Samhitam is another patha. Both are there. For some reason, there are several places where we will find such pathantaras. Like Mrute tu tasmin bharate, that's what Lena will always say. But Gate tu bharate tasmin. Another. So there are pathantaras like that. Both are acceptable. So, and in this Vyakhyana, both are referred. So, Dharmartha Samhitam, Dharma means Raghunatha Ashrayanam Eva Arthaha Parama Purusharthaha Tena Sahitam, along with the Raghunathas, the Dharma that is portrayed by Raghunatha, which is Rama. Atayeva Hitam, and so it is Hitam. It is welfare. It is good for us. Because it is portraying Dharma that was followed, demonstrated by Rama. Atayeva Hitam Sarvopakarakam. Samagram means Sampurnam. Vastu Shrutva. Vastu is that material, that core inputs. Shrutva. Narada Brahmano Upadesha Avagatya. So the Upadesham that was given both by Narada and Brahma. Avagatya, having understood it. Dhimataha, of whom? Of the Dhiman, Sri Rama. So Dhimataha means Samadhika Rahita Buddhi Visishtasya Tasya. So when we say Dhima here, Sama Adhika Rahita, there is no equal or more. Rahita Buddhi Viseshaha, that is meant here as Dhiman. Tasya Shruti Tatparye Vishayi Bhutasya Raghunathasya Vyaktam. So Raghunatha's story as told or as in compliance with Shruti, with Veda. We always say, right, Puranam will be called Smriti. And so it should never go against the prescriptions of Veda. So Shruti Tatparya Vishayi Bhutasya Raghunathasya Vyaktam. Vyaktam is manifestation, or whatever has been expressed by Rama of that. Loke api prakati bhutam yat bhuyah is again. Bhuyo bhuyo namamyaham. Again and again I do namaskara, right? So bhuyah vistrutam in detail. Vistrutam acharitam tat anveshate means vyachacharayat means vicharam kritavan. So he started thinking about it. Next one. So the Dharmatma Dharma Samhitam iti pathe, that is one patha. Two, Dharmatmeti Muni Visheshanam. Dharma patha. Dharmatma, there is Muni, Valmiki, writing Dharma Samhita story or life story of Vyaktam, Dhimataha Vyaktam, of the Rama's expressed story. Next shloka. Upasprashodakam samyak munisthitvā kritāñjalihi prāchīnāgreshu darbheshu. Again typo here. Dharmena anveshate gatim. Super. So now he is Shrutva, he is Anveshanam. He started Anveshanam, Anveshate. How does he do that? First thing he does is Udakam, water, Upasprashodakam. Typically, Achamanam Kritva. Before we start any project, we first do Achamanam and then Pranayama, right? So Upasprasya means by touching nearby. What does that mean? It's a term, it's not a normal English word. It's a Vedic term. For example, when we do Sandhyavandanam also, Trirachamya, Padav, Shiraha, Prokshati Shiraha, Chakshushe, Nasika, Srutre, Hridayam, Upasprashya, we say. Right? So that is how Achamana mantra instructions are. So Upasprashya means Achamanam Kritva. Udakam Upasprashya means Achamanam Kritva. Samyak, properly Achamanam Kritva. Munihi Stitva Kritanjalihi. In Anjali position means by standing or by staying in the Kritanjali position. Prachinagreshu darbheshu. So our seats have always been darbha. Darbha is that special grass, one kushagra, we say. So that specific grass is called darbha. And such darbhas put together and tied together used to be the asana, used to be the mat in the past. And that darbha should be always facing Prachina. Prachina is east. So Prachina agreshu, darbheshu. So we said stitva. Where did he stand or sit? On this Prachina agreshu, darbheshu. Gatim dharmena anveshate. Gati is the journey, right? So the journey of Sri Rama, the life journey of Sri Rama, anveshate. He now starts researching or figuring it out. Dharmena, not by generally reading some books of anybody or anything like that, but with the dharma, he is doing the anveshana. Rama Lakshmana Sita Bhi. Raja Rajnya Dasharathena Cha.
Rajnya Dasharathena Cha.
Sabharyena Sarashtrena.
Sabharyena Cha Rashtrena.
Sabharyena Sarashtrena.
Sabharyena Sarashtrena.
यत्प्राप्तं तत्र तत्त्वतः
यत्प्राप्तं तत्र तत्त्वतः
हसितं भाषितं चैव
हसितं भाषितं चैव
गतिर्यावच्च चेष्टितम्
गतिर्यायच्च चेष्टितम्
गतिर्यावच्च चेष्टितम्
यायच्च
यावत्
गतिर्यावच्च चेष्टितम्
तत्सर्वं धर्मवीर्येण
तत्सर्वं धर्मवीर्येण
यथावत् सम्प्रपश्यति.
यथावत् सम्प्रपश्यति.
So we said, do you remember sometime back I said Ramayanam story as a brief short stories of Ramayana, of Rama, it keeps recurring several times in Ramayana. So we started with Sankshipta Ramayana, the first sarga, third sarga. Again now you'll hear the complete story. But see the beauty, every time it is different shlokas. It is not exactly the same shloka. Every time different shlokas. And second one is, each time you will see some other new bullets. It will always be bullets of story. So Rama, Lakshmana, Sita Bhihi, along with Rama, Lakshmana and Sita, Rajnya Dasharathena cha, along with the Raja Dasharatha, Sabharyena, along with his wives, Sarashtrena, of the nation of the Ayodhya Rajya, Rashtra, Yat Praptam Tatra Tattvataha, whatever has been obtained by Rama, by Bharata, etc. Tattvataha, originally, by original intent, as it is. Hasitam, Bhashitam Chaiva, whatever, Hasitam, whatever were there, happy moments, conversations. So Hasitam is emotions and Bhashitam is conversations. Chaiva, Gatir Yavatcha Cheshtitam, the Gatihi, the whole timeline, Yavat, the timeline, whatever was the timeline in which all of their emotions, their conversations, and Cheshtitam, their activities, all of their activities, all of their feelings and emotions, and their conversations, everything samprapashyati, he is able to see it. Samyak, pashyati itself is sees, prapashyati, sees thoroughly, samprapashyati, samyak prakrishtena pashyati, yathavat, as it happened, his prowess of dharma, tatsarvam samprapashyati, all of that Valmiki is able to see. Stri tritiyena cha tatha
स्त्री तृतीयेन चैता
yat praptam charata vane
यत्प्राप्तं चरता वने
satyasandhena ramena
सत्यसन्धेन रामेण
tatsarvam chanvavaikshat.
तत्सर्वं चान्ववैक्षत.
Uttamam, uttamam. So stri tritiyena cha tatha. Stri tritiyam, super word. The woman being the third one, which means Rama first, Lakshmana second, Sita third. So those three. Vane charata tritiye cha. So in the vana, in the forest, as they were moving along, the three of with the third woman, which is Sita, Satyasandhena Ramena, along with Rama, who is a Satyasandha, who holds and always launches Satya. Satyasandhena Ramena, Tat Sarvam, all of that, Cha Anvavaikshata. Now in past tense, he is able to see all of that, or he investigate all of that, or he is able to visualize all of that. Tatah pashyati dharmatma
ततः पश्यति धर्मात्मा
tatsarvam yogamastithah
तत्सर्वं योगमास्थितः
पुरा यत्तत्र निर्वृत्तं
पुरा यत्तत्र निर्वत्रं
पाणावामलकं यथा
पाना. Can you say that again, Bogaj?
पाणावामलक पाणावामलकं यथा
पानावानलकं यथा
पाणौ
पाणौ
अमलकं
अमलकं
पाणावमलकं
पानावमलकं
यथा
यथा
पाणावमलकं यथा
पानावमलकं यथा.
So amalakam is amlakam is
gooseberry.
Gooseberry. So there are several nyayas and sayings. Not saying, what do you call them? Proverbs or idioms. Idioms probably. So pani is hand. Panau amalakam. If you have the gooseberry in your hand, just like that, they say. Just as so simply or so clearly, so easily as you have the gooseberry in your hand. That is this standard one. Okay, don't take it literally. If I say it in English, you don't get anything. What it means is it was very, very easy. See, normally amlakam is somewhere there. Everybody likes amlakam, right? But if you directly have it in your hand, without you didn't even have to put any efforts to get it. So simply, so easily, so clearly obtained is typically told as panavamalakam. Yatha panavamalakam tataha dharmatma tat sarvam dharma yogamastitaha dharmatma tat sarvam pashyati. So he's again is not into library, taking hundreds of books, highlighting with highlighters, making notes. It is not through that style which we do, but yogam asthitaha, one who is in yoga, situated in yoga, yogam asthitaha. Let us read this Vyakhyana here. Vicharottara kale tat sakshatkaraha jataha ityaha tataha ityadina. So after that vicharana, tat sakshatkaraha jataha. Sakshatkara word, all of us adults know it, right? But Leena and Prajna, sakshatkaram is another good word of Indian terms. Sakshat, sa-akshat, with eyes. With eyes, something, along with eyes, something happened. That means you are able to see it first hand, as first person. It is not heard through somebody else and interpreted by you. That is called sakshatkara. Typically used when, let us say, when Brahma or when a god appears before you. How did you see him? Sakshatkara darshanam, we say. That means with my own eyes, I saw. Sakshat, with eyes. Akaraha, sakshatkaraha, karanam, sakshatkaranam. So, sakshatkaraha jataha for Valmiki, ityadina, aha, is being told here. Tataha vicharanantaram dharmatma Valmiki dharme raghunatha upasane. By saying dharme raghunatha upasane, Valmiki is in the upasana of Rama. Raghunatha upasane atma manaha yasya, which means Raghunathe upasane, atma, which means manaha, yasya saha dharmatma. So here dharmatma means one whose atma is in the upasana of Rama, because Rama is dharma. So then dharmatma. Atayeva yogam, which means upasanopayam asthitaha praptaha. So yogam asthitaha means that upasana upayam asthitaha. Raghunatha upasana eva, constant contemplation, no other thought, going through the yoga of recollecting the whole thing, of seeing the whole thing, nothing but Rama is Raghunatha Rama upasana. And such upasana is what is meant here as yogam asthitaha. Tatra Ayodhya, tatra means Ayodhya nirvrittam, yan nirvrittam, which means Lakshmana Sita Rama Charitam. Tat sarvam Panavamalakam yatha Panigata Dhatri Phalam iva. That one, just as it is, so simple as it is in your hand. Pura Purvam Pashyati Tatvatah Ajanit Ityarthaha. Tatsarvam Tatvato Drashtva
Tatsarvam
Dharmena Samahamatihi.
Dharme Vasamahatihi.
Dharmena Samahamatihi.
Dharmena Samahagatihi. Matihi.
Adhiramasya Ramasya
Adhiramasya Ramasya
Tatsarvam Kartumudyataha.
Tatsarvam Kartumudyata.
Udyataha.
Mudyataha.
My internet problem. Udyataha Kartumudyataha.
Kartumudyataha.
So tat sarvam tatvatah drishtva dharmena saha mahamatihi abhiramasya ramasya tat sarvam kartum udyataha. So by seeing is an ordinary word. Drishtva is by visualizing tat sarvam, all of that. Dharmena, along with dharma, saha mahamatihi, that Valmiki, who is a mahamatihi, abhiramasya ramasya tat sarvam, ramasya, who is also qualified here as abhirama. Abhirama is one who makes others completely happy. It's called abhirama. Abhiramasya sarvabhirama hetoho, sarva abhirama. Everyone, he makes them pleasant, happy. Abhirama hetoho ramasya dharmena veda bodhita karmatvena, along with whatever has been told in Vedas. Upalaksham sarvam, everything that was popularly known by then. Nivarnayishyam, Nivarnayishyamana Nikhila Raghunatha Charitam, as has been Nivarnayam, means has been detailedly explained in detail. Raghunatha Charitam Tatvataha means Maya Rahityena, without any fictional leftist interpretations. Maya Rahityena, that is what is here. Here is mentioned as Tatvataha. When we say Tatvataha, Maya Rahityam, as originally, as is. ISKCON's Bhagavad Gita is called Bhagavad Gita as it is. So likewise, Maya Rahityena. Drishtva means Jnatva, by knowing it. Drishtva here, he is saying not necessarily seeing with eyes, but when you see whether you hear or see or whatever, finally you know. So Jnatva, it means here. Drishtva means Jnatva. Kartum means to do, in order to do or to do. Charitam, Varnayitum Udyattaha, Ramasya story, Varnayitum, to explain, to compose. Udyuktaha, Udyogavan Asit Ityarthaha. So he started to take the endeavor of writing or composing, doing the Ramacharitam. Mahadhyutiri Raghunatha Satkarasya Prabhava Atishayaha Suchitaha. By saying Mahadhyutihi, see, for Mahamatihi there is another patha there as Mahadhyutihi. In some other texts, you might find Mahadyutihi. So this Vyakyanakara is saying, what is Mahadyutihi? Dyuti is light, right? Dyuti is light as in light. Dyuti is prakasha.
Roshni.
Huh?
Roshni.
Roshni. Roshni. Roshni is Dyutihi. So Mahadyutihi. Valmiki here is addressed as Mahadyutihi in other patha because Raghunatha Sakshatkarasya Prabhava Atishayah. So the Prabhava, the effect of realizing Raghunatha is showing the glow in his face, Roshni in his Sharira, in his body. Mahamatihi iti pathetu Mahati Samadhika Shunya Matihi Yasya Ityartha. Mahamatihi means one whose mind is Mahan, which means Sama Adhika Rahitaha. There is nobody unequal intellect, is Mahamatihi. So both Mahamatihi, Mahadyutihi, both pathas are there, he is saying. Kamartha Guna Samyuktam
Kamartha-yuktam
Dharmartha Guna Vistaram
Dharmartha-guna-vistaram
Samudramiva Ratnadhyam
Samudramiva ratnadhyam
Sarvashruti Manoharam
Sarvashruti-manoharam
Sayatha Katitham Purvam
Sayata katitham purvam
Naradena Mahatmana
Naradena mahatmana
Raghuvamshasya Charitam
Raghuvamshasya charitam
Chakara Bhagavan Munihi.
Chakara Bhagavan Munihi.
Chakara, I think by now we all know, we have heard this several times. Chakara is past tense of karoti, kritavan. He did. What did he do? Who did? Bhagavan Munihi. Valmiki, as I said, here is also addressed several times as Bhagavan also. Agastya, several rishis are also addressed as Bhagavan. Bhagavan Munihi Chakara. Kim Chakara? Raghuvamshasya Charitam. Raghuvamshasya, the entire lineage of Raghuvamsha. Their Charitam Chakara. Katham Chakara Yatha Kathitam Purvam. As told by Narada before. Naradena Mahatmana Yatha Purvam Kathitam. By Narada, by the Mahatma Narada, as told before, he did it. What is it? Kamartha Guna Samyuktam. So let's read the Vyakhyana here. Ratnadhyam. Ratnadhyam means Ratna Paripurnam Samudram Iva. We also say Ratnadhyam Vande Bharata Mataram in Ekatmata Stotra, right? The second shloka. What is it? Ratnadhyam Vande Bharata Mataram. Anyone remembers? Ratnadhyam. Right? Suprabhaji. Ratnadhyam Vande Bharata Mataram. Huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to think. I remember. I'm trying.
Rupaya Namaste Paramatmane Jyotirmaya Swarupaya.
Bhagaji, it is Ratna.
Ratnakara Dhauta Padam. Himalaya Kiratinim.
Yeah.
Brahmarajarshi Ratnadhyam Vande Bharata Mataram. So we see that Ratnadhya is Samudram. Bah, beautiful. Dhirendraji and Suprabhaji, congrats.
Many, I try to see.
Only Dhirendraji.
Good. So Ratnadhyam is Samudra. Samudram Iva Ratnadhyam, just like the ocean. Ratna Paripurna Samudra Sadrusham Ityarthaha. Raghunath, the Ramayana story is like an ocean full of gems and jewels. Right? So it is so much for us to study. That is what is meant here. And so what are they? Kamartha Guna Samyuktam. Kamartha Gunehe, which means Kamascha, Arthascha, Guna Sabdi. Kama and Artha are clear. Guna Shabdena, Kamartha गुणवत्ता संपदा sampadakah dharmah uchyate. Kamartha gunam, by saying it, gunam here is that dharma that you get through artha and kama. So kamartha gunavatta sampadako dharma uchyate. Sacha te kamartha gunaha. Taihi, with such kamartha gunaha, samyuktam yatha kamam, kamartha dharma dayakam ityartha. The other meaning also is, it gives us kama, artha, guna, which is dharma. Dharmartha guna vistaram. The other qualifier here is dharmartha guna vistaram. Of course, with the qualities of, with detailed qualities of dharma, artha. Such Raghunatha, Raghuvamshasya charitam, Bhagavan Munihi chakara. He did it. So from now, the actual story again starts in the second version. Even if we can learn these 28 shlokas roughly, from 10th to 38, or about 35. So roughly 25 shlokas, even if we remember here, it's another brief gist of Ramayana. Who's saying?
Pragya.
Breaking up, Gogaji.
Breaking up, huh? Internet is bad today. Janma Ramasya Sumahat.
Janma Ramasya Sumahat.
Viryam Sarvanukulatam.
Viryam Sarvanukulatam.
Lokasya Priyatam Kshantim.
Lokasya Priyatam Kshantim.
Saumyatam Satyashilatam.
Saumyatam Satyashilatam.
So what is Ramayana giving? What is qualifying Ramayana further? Janma Ramasya Sumahat. Mahan Janma. Mahat Janma. Sumahat Janma Ramasya. The great birth of Rama. Sarvanukulatam Viryam. The valor, or that power of Rama's Janma, which Sarvanukulatam, which is Anukula. Anukula is Anukulam. Anukula is
convenient, congenial.
Congenial. Huh?
In favor.
In favor. In favor. In favor. Congenial. Yeah. Congenial, in favor of sarva, for everyone, of all. Lokasya priyatam kshantim. Priyata for the pleasing of the world, and kshantim for the happiness, or for the cooling, for the cooling of the worlds, and for the pleasure of people, or for not pleasure, for the pleasing of people. Saumyatam, for also bringing docility or humbleness. Saumyatam. Satyashilatam. Satyashila, the truthful characterness. So for giving all these qualities of the world, Nana chitra kathaschanyah.
Nana chitta kadachanya.
Vishwamitra sahayane.
Vishwamitra sahayane.
Janakasyascha vivaham.
Janakasyascha
Janakyascha vivaham cha.
Janakyascha vivaham cha.
Dhanushascha vibhedanam.
Dhanushascha vibhedanam.
So now, very Rama's birth was given one full shloka, glorifying Rama's birth, of how great it is. Now, next event start. Nana chitraha kathaha. If you read next Balakanda, once it starts, it is full of several stories of ancestors of Rama. the Rama's lineage, and in general of the entire Bharatavarsha. So Nana Chitraha Kathaha, very amazing stories. Anyaha, several other several other amazing stories of the land. And Vishwamitra Sahayane, along with going along with Vishwamitra, all the stories that happened along with Vishwamitra, because most of those stories are told by Vishwamitra only to Rama and Lakshmana. So Vishwamitra Sahayane, Janakyascha Vivahamcha, as well. Dhanushascha Vibhedanam. Vibhedanam, Bhedaha is a break. Vibhedanam, the Vishesha Bhedanam, significant breaking of the Dhanush, of the Shiva Dhanush. That. And so now bullets of this story are continuing. So what are the bullets so far? Ramasya Janma, Vishwamitra Sahayane, in the going along with, or with the help of, or going along with Vishwamitra, Nana Chitra, Anyaha Nana Chitraha Kathaha, several stories told, Janaki's Vivaham and Dhanusha Vibhedanam. Now next. Rama Rama Vivadancha. Who is saying?
Rama Rama Vivadancha
Gunan Dasharathes Tatha
Gunan Dasharathes Tatha
Tathabhishekam Ramasya
Tadhavishekam Ramasya
Tathabhishekam Ramasya
Tadabhishekam Ramasya
Kaikeya Dushtabhavatam.
Kaikeya Dushtabhavatam.
So remaining other more bullets now. Rama Rama Vivadam. What is Rama Rama Vivadam? So Rama and Parashurama. That is what it means. So after Shivadhanush Bheda, Parashurama enters, right? When Rama is returning back with Sita and Lakshmana, Parashurama enters to challenge Rama. Hey, what I heard you broke Shivadhana, you're great. This is Vishnu Chapa that he is holding. See if you can, fight this. And that is when, after realizing that yes, Rama is the next, is in continuation of my mission, then Parashurama gives up his this fear. This is avatar mission. So because Parashurama is also one of the avatars, right? So that vivadam, the conversation, or not conversation, the debate, or the bout, what is it called? That fight between Rama and Parashurama. So Rama Rama Vivadancha Dasharathe Gunan Tatha. So Dasharathe Ramasya Gunan Vinaya Vijayadi Rupanscha Tatha Ityarthaha. So Rama's other gunas as told. Tatha Abhishekam Ramasya, the preparations, Kaikeya Dushtabhavatam. At the same time, Kaikeyi's jealous feeling there. Dushtabhavatam. Vighatam cha abhishekasya. Vighatam cha abhishekasya.
Vighatam cha abhishekasya
Ramasya cha vivasanam.
Ramasya cha vivasanam
Rajnyashokam vilapancha.
Rajnyashokam vilapancha
Paralokasya chashrayam.
Paralokasya chashrayam
Ashrayam. Paralokasya chashrayam. So Kaikeya Dushtabhavatam Tatpurvam Ramasya Tatha Abhishekam. So preparations of Abhisheka, Rajyabhisheka, Yavarajyabhishekam of Rama. Vighatam. Vighatam is obstruction. अभिषेकस्य रामस्य अभिषेकस्य विघातं च and vivasanam, exile, sending him out into exile, and rajnya shokam. Rajnya here is Dasharatha's shoka, his sorrow, vilapam, his crying in sorrow state, and paralokasya cha ashrayam. Paralokasya ashrayam. See how it is told here. So for us, ashraya is taking refuge or living there. Place where you take ashraya is ashramam. So paralokasya cha ashrayam. Dasharatha, after crying in sorrow, what did he do finally? Die is a dirty ordinary word, right? But you say paralokasya ashraya. Now he leaves paralokasya ashrayam. Good, how to say positively ordinary things also. Paralokasya chashrayam. Prakrutinam vishadancha.
Prakrutinam visadancha.
Prakrutinam visarjanam.
Prakrutinam visarjanam.
Nishadadhipa samvadam.
Nishadadhipa samvadam.
Nishadadhipa samvadam.
Nishadadhipa samvadam.
Sutopavartanam tatha.
Sutopavartanam tata.
So we know the same story. The same bullets are coming, but see how different shlokas. How many times? Every time you tell the same story, again new shlokas. So that's the creativity of saying it again and again, but in different words. So Prakritinam Vishadam Cha. Wish of Prakriti is, we said Prakritinam Hitair Yukta Prakriti Priyakamyaya. Right? We read in the first Sarga also. Prakriti is Prajaha. The citizens, the children, the citizens are also called Prakriti. So Prakritinam Vishadam. As we know, the whole city, all citizens are come behind Rama. Right? We remembered the story of the tales of Pied Piper as well, right? The entire city goes with Rama in sorrow. So Prakritinam Vishadam Cha, Prakritinam Visarjanam, sending them back again as well. But because Rama wakes up in the midnight and leaves with Sumantra. And so in the morning when all of them get up, they search for him, they don't find him. After a while, everybody, life moves on. So they all return back. So Prakritinam Visarjanam. And then Nishadadhipa Samvadam. Samvadam, the discussion with him. And Suta Upavartanam Tatha. Suta, the Sumantra, who comes as the charioteer for Rama, sending him back. Upavartanam, letting him return back. Tatha. So that also. Ganga yaschapi santaram.
Ganga santaram.
Bharadvajasya darshanam.
Bharadvajasya darshanam.
Bharadvajabhyanugnatah.
Bharadvajabhyanugnata.
You are right. Bharadvajabhyanugyanat.
Bharadvajabhyanugyanat.
Bharadvaja abhi anugyanat. Bharadvajabhyanugyanat.
Bharadvajabhyanugyanat.
Sorry, my internet is breaking. Bharadvajabhyanugyanat.
Bharadvajabhyanugyanat.
Chitrakutasya darshanam.
Chitrakutasya darshanam.
So next bullets are after letting Sumantra return, then with Guha, what did we read there? Nadis tirtva bahudaka. Gangayaschapi santaram. Taram, tarati, swims, or you pass or you cross. Santaram, samyak tarati, of Ganga, of crossing Ganga, Gangayaschapi santaram, and on the other bank, Bharadvajasya darshanam, of the visiting of the darshana of Bharadvaja ashrama, and Bharadvaja abhi anujnanat, means with the orders, or with the, see, order is an English word to say command kind of a thing, but here abhijnanam is by giving the identity, or by letting him know, by giving him knowledge. Bharadvaja abhi anujnanat, with the, or due to the anujnana of Bharadvaja, that he gave of visiting Chitrakuta darshanam as well. Vastu karma niveshancha bharata tatha prasadanam cha ramasya pituscha salila kriyam. So after going to Chitrakuta, what do? They do build the ashrama there, right? So Vastu Karma Nivesham, Vastu Karma, that means when you build the house, we do Vastu Puja and all, right? So that is told here as Vastu Karma Niveshaha, the Graha Pravesha related Vastu Karma Nivesham cha, and then Bharata Agamanam tatha, Bharata visits prasadanam cha ramasya, trying to plead Rama, and then pituscha salila kriyam. So here this additional bullet is told. So when Bharata comes, that is when only Rama knows that paralokasya chashrayam, rajnyaha paralokasya ashrayam is known by Rama only when Bharata comes and informs. So then what does Rama do? First thing, even though belated, pituscha salila kriyam. Salila is water. Salila kriyam, that means the udaka kriya that we do, the water, all the tarpanam, etc. that we do for the forefathers, for the ancestors, for parents, etc. So pituscha, of the father, salila kriyam, the water, the tarpanam, etc. that he has to do. Ramsya Abhishekam cha.
Can you say that again, Bhogaji? Your voice was breaking up.
I'm very sorry, I don't know. Today my internet is bad here. Padukagryabhishekam cha.
Padukagryabhishekam cha.
Nandigrama nivasanam.
Nandigrama nivasanam.
Dandakaranya gamanam.
Dandakaranya gamanam.
Viradhasya vadham tatha.
Viradhasya vadham tatha.
So after completing that Salila Kriya, now Bharata starts pleading with Rama. Rama not come. At least in my when Bharata says, "Let me have some icon or representation of you," that is when Rama gives his paduka, his that 2 footwear. So paduka agriya abhishekam. Padukayoho prakchetanatva nityatwabhyam sarvapadukashreshtayoho abhishekam. So prakchetanatva, the existing of Rama. So prakchetanatva nityatwabhyam. Nityatvam, to give you that Rama is there always, and to give that consciousness together, that feeling is paduka agriyabhishekam. राज्य नियंत्रत्वेन स्थापनं च, by saying abhishekam, राज्यस्य नियंत्रणं, keeping everybody in control. So that abhishekam. And then we know after giving him the padakas, Bharata is sent back. And so Nandigrama Nivasanam. We all know Bharata doesn't live in Ayodhya. He rules out of a new city called Nandigrama outside of Ayodhya. And so now we all Tatragamanam Ekagro Dandakan Praviveshaha. You remember, right? From first sarga. Ekagraha Tatra. He saw, oh, if I continue in Chitrakuta here, these guys will keep coming. And so let me go further. And so he enters Dandakaranya. So Dandakaranya Gaman towards Dandakaranya. Viradhasya Vadham Tatha. So first he kills the Rakshasa called Viradha. Darshanam Sharabhangasya. Who is saying? Sutikshena Samagamam.
Sutikshena Samagamam.
Anasuya Samasyancha.
Anasuya Samasyancha.
Angaragasya Charpanam.
Angaragasya Charpanam.
So and then Sharabhangasya Darshanam. He meets Sharabhanga Rishi. And then Sutikshena Samagamam. He also encounters or meets Sutikshna, another Rishi of Sharabhanga. And then Anasuya Samasyamcha. So Anasuya, if I mention it or not, there will be very good 2-3 sargas where Sita and Anasuya's discussions. 1, 2, 2 sargas. So as before that, Anasuya offers this Angaragam. Angaragam is a paste made from some of the herbs there, which is, of course, one is for health. 2 and 3, it gives Sita the power of Pativritya. So Ravana, as we said, right, there is another school of thought where we say that what Ravana took away was only a Maya Sita, or her real form of Sita, which is Agni. The Agni Tattva of Sita is what only Ravana carries. The real Sita is not really abducted. Is a school of thought, another school of thought that is told in the spiritual form, in the spiritual manner. And that is why we say when Sita enters Agni also after the Yuddha, it is the Agni Sita who entered Agni, so nothing, she is not hurt. Otherwise we get this question, oh, how come a physical body burnt, but and all of those questions, right? So Agni Sita. And so is by the Sangaraga. That is the other benefit of this Sangaraga. Because Anasuya is the most Pativrata Mahasadhi. And so she gives the lessons of Pativratyam, examples of Pativratyam, along with that, this small, ointment kind of a thing, balm kind of a thing, which otherwise is a normal herbal paste or balm, but used for all of these purposes. So Angaragasya cha arpanam, offering of the Angaraga by Anasuya. Anasuya samasya asya asanam ityamaraha. Asya tu asanam asine ityamaraha. So asyam means asanam, sitting. Adha means a baitak with Anasuya. That is where the lessons and all are given by Anasuya to Sitaji. Darshanam chapya gastyasya. धनुषो ग्रहणं तथा
धनुषो ग्रहणं तथा
शूर्पणख्याश्च संवादम्
शूर्पणख्याश्च संवादं
विरूपकरणं तथा.
विरूपकरणं तथा.
So Agasthyasya darshanam. So Agastya Rishi enters and Agastya Vachanat Shaiva Jagrahindram Sharasanam. Remember? Very good, very good. Prajna is already chanting them. Yes.
Okay.
So Yasoha Grahanam. What is it, Prajna?
Kadgam cha paramaprito stuni chakshe sayako.
So receiving all of them. Super. So Dhanusho Grahanam. Dhanusha means of the Dhanusha, Grahanam, receiving the Dhanush, and several other things. Khadgam cha Paramaprito, Tuni cha Akshaya Sayako, all of them together as a big package that Agastya gives to Rama. And we also read in the Vyakhyana there that all of these were the ones that Indra keeps with Agastya then in the past. Use them when time comes, and the time has come now, and so Agastya hands them over to Rama. So Agastya darshanam chapya Agastyasya dhanusho grahanam tatha, and then Shurpanakhya. This one of discussion between Rama and Shurpanakha, and then she going talking to Sita. She calling all bad names on Sita, etc. So that samvadam, that debate between Shurpanakha and Rama and Lakshmana. And then Virupakaranam tatha. Virupakaranam, Virupam, Vikruta Rupam, Karanam, by making her Vikruta Rupa, by cutting her nose off, getting rid of her Maya, Vesha, and all of that, right? Getting her back to that her original Virupa, which means Vikruta Rupa. Virupa Karanam tatha. Vadham Kharat Trisharaso.
Vadham karat trishuraso.
Shirasoho. Utthanam Ravanasya cha.
Uttanam ravanasya cha.
Marichasya vadham chaiva.
Marichasya vadham chaiva.
Vaidehya haranam tatha.
Vaideshya haranam tata.
So then Khara, they killing, the slaying of Khara and Trishiras, those two Rakshasas who come along with 14,000 other army of theirs. They're killing. Utthanam Ravanasya cha, and now Ravana waking up, or Ravana's entry. Till this time Ravana's entry is not there in the Ramayana. So his entry comes up. Utthanam Ravanasya cha, Marichasya vadham chaiva. Maricha is now killed as that golden deer thing, we know. Marichasya vadham chaiva, Vaidehyaha haranam tatha. Haranam, kidnap or abduct, steal. Vaidehyaha haranam tatha.
Can you say that again, Bogaji?
Raghavasya vilapancha.
Raghavasya vilapancha.
Gridhra rajanibarhanam.
Gridhra rajanibarhanam.
Kabandha darshanam chaiva.
Kabandha darshanam chaiva.
Pampayaschapi darshanam.
Pampayaschapi darshanam.
Pampayaschapi darshanam.
Pampayaschapi darshanam.
So now Vaidehi haranam. So Raghavasya vilapam. Raghava crying, in sorrow. Gridharaja Nibarhanam. As Ravana was taking away Sita, Gridharaja, who is that Gridharaja?
Jatayu.
Jatayu. So Jatayu fights Ravana, and Jatayus Kandha Darshanam Chaiva. The Kabandha is another Rakshasa. The Kabandha Darshanam Chaiva. But Rakshasa, as in, he's in the form of a very crude Rakshasa, but is originally a Gandharva. And he only later points Rama to go towards Shabari's ashram, right? So Kabandha Darshanam Chaiva, and then Pampayaschapi Darshanam. And then he is walking towards the Pampa Nadi. Pampayaschapi Darshanam. Shabari Darshanam Chaiva.
Shabari Darshanam Chaiva.
Phalamoolashanam Tatha.
Phalamoolashanam Tatha. Phalamoolashanam Tatha.
Ashanam.
Phalamoolashanam Tatha.
Tatha. Phalamoolashanam Tatha.
Phalamoolashanam Tatha.
Pralapanchaiva Pampayam.
Pralapanchaiva Pampayam.
Hanumaddarshanam Tatha.
Hanumaddarshanam Tatha.
So other bullets, Shabari Darshanam, and then Phalamoolashanam. Phalam and Moola. Moola is roots. Because she's an ashrama. So in ashrama they only eat roots and leaves. So Phalam, Moolam, Ashanam. Ashanam is eating. Anam is eating. So we usually mistake Upavasa for Anashanam. So Phalamoolashanam. Whatever offered by Shabari, Rama's having them. Pralap, and then Pralapam Chaiva, the long discussion with whom? Hanumad Darshanam. So Pralapam is with Shabari also. There's long discussion with Shabari, and also with Hanuman later. So Pralapam Chaiva Pampayam, in the Pampa, the Pralapa, the discussion, and Hanumad Darshanam, Hanuman's meeting Hanuman. Rishyamukasya Gamanam. Sugrivena Samagamam. Pratyayotpadanam Sakhyam. Vali Sugriva Vigraham. 1 minute more, but I think we'll complete this shloka also. Rishyamukasya Gamanam. So they going from Pampa to Rishyamuka Parvata, and Sugrivena Samagamam. By face with, and then Pratyotpadanam. First thing is Sakhyam, friendship, and then Pratyayotpadanam. Pratyayam we said is proof, evidence, alternative, creating an evidence that yes, I am capable to fight Vali. And then Vali Sugriva Vigraham. In the fight, killing of Vali. Vigraham is see, for Samasa, for example, right? We say Vigrahavakyam. Samasa is a compound word. Vigrahavakyam means by splitting the words and connecting them with respective conjunctions. So Vigraham is splitting apart. So Vali Vigraham here, Vali Sugriva Vigraham is splitting Vali and Sugriva, which means okay, we'll stop here. 8:32, we'll say the Mangal Shloka and stop, and then take any questions or discussion. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. ओम शांति शांति शांति।